Hey all, welcome back to Fire and Water Cooking. I am Darren, of course, and today something super special arrived the other day for my patio. This is the new Solo Stove Steel Fire. I'm really super excited about this, guys. I know it's just, you think it's just a new griddle, but this is the first stainless steel griddle made for your patio. Most stainless steel griddles are made for commercial kitchens. When I was working in restaurants, that's what we used. But all the ones that usually come for your outdoor kitchen are made out of cold rolled steel. And the problem you get is they get rusty. Stainless steel is not gonna rust. Super excited about this. I wanna see how it compares to my super expensive Evo griddle here. If you guys are familiar with the Evos, they're for custom outdoor kitchens and usually pretty expensive. For a new one, it cost about $5 grand. I didn't pay that for this, but I'm really super excited to see how that compares to this new steel fire from Solo Stove. I'll be back. I'm going to put this together. I'm not going to bore you by putting it all together on the video, but I will put this together and then we're going to go over it from tail to head to tail. I'll be back.
Smoking, grilling, getting hot and hotter, sous vide and chilling from Fire and Water.
Well guys, here it is, the brand new Solo Stove stainless steel griddle. It was very easy to put together. It took me about, the most thing that took me was the cart itself. Now you can buy the griddle without the cart if you want to put it on your own table, or if you want to actually have this portable. It can be portable, but you don't need this cart. The cart is pretty cool. It does have these shelves that fold down. They're pretty stable. They're powder coated steel with little holes in them, drainage holes. Both of these actually fold down. The cart, you can actually have your griddle screwed down to the cart so it doesn't move around. But you can take those 4 screws out and actually pull this out and be totally portable. You can take it tailgating, to the picnics, whatever you want. The has 4 full-size coasters that are locking. So all the locking, or all the coasters on this are locking. This here is just little canvas pieces that comes off. The back is open. So this is where you'd put your propane tank and open and close your propane tank valve. The lid here is got 2 hinges here in the back. It's all stainless steel. The cart is not stainless steel. The cart is all powder coated steel, but it's still pretty solid. It's not wiggly or wobbly at all. Pretty much all you had to do for the griddle itself is put the handle on and attach it to the cart, but everything else was put together. One of the things I really love, and this is the big selling point to me, was the stainless steel top here. You see that top is high-grade stainless steel. It's still kind of heavy, but actually you can pull it out real easy. It's got 2 little handles here on the side. It slips right back into place here. You got some little air holes here coming around to make sure your flame stays pretty hot. I'm going to take this off again to show you what the burners look like, because they look pretty cool. But if you look, all this top part of the griddle is stainless. The bottom main body is powder coated, but it's stainless where it needs to be. So you're not going to get any rust on your lid. You're not going to get any rust on your cooking surface. So it does have a drain. Everything comes to the front. So if you're scraping and cleaning, it goes to the front. And you got your clean out pan right there in the bottom. Let me go back a little, kind of show you that again, because I just realized you couldn't see that. So this is where your clean out is, or you scrape everything into here, your grease hole, and then right here in the front is your clean out pan. And it's pretty long, so it'll hold at least 2 cooks of stuff, I'm sure. but you want to clean that out after every cook. So let's go, and I'm going to get closer and show you the burners, because the burners are pretty impressive as well. I'm just going to pull this off, set it over here. But if you look at those burners, guys, they are stainless steel as well. And as you can see, they cover up a good portion of that surface. And I'm going to show you, I'm going to turn the gas on, and then we're going to fire this bad boy up. Just so you can see now how you turn it on. You hold in the knob, turn it to high so it lights, and it lights right up. You can't really see it, but it did light up. So we're going to hold it in, turn it, and it lights right up. Might take 1 or 2 times, but as soon as you hear it go, it's lit. So I don't know if you can see it, but we are right now on high, and you got this whole entire burner on this side and whole entire burner on that side. It's going to make it very, very even cooking on here. And I really like the fact that they're stainless steel. They're going to last a long time. They're not going to rust out. Go ahead and shut that off so we can get the top back on. But so far, guys, I mean, I'm really, really impressed with the design and the build quality of this. I've never had any kind of solo stove product before, because I don't care for fire pit cooking. Some of the products that they offer I really was not interested in. This is the only one they've came out with that I'm really interested in. Their pizza oven I was kind of looking at, but there was other options out there that I decided to go with. But this is the first product of theirs that I was really interested in, and I'm really impressed with it. So I think if you guys are looking for a griddle and you are looking for quality and not just the lowest price out there, something that's going to last a while and not rust out, and that's going to have even cooking, it's going to look decent on your patio as well, you really need to check out this Solo Stove Steel Fire, because I tell you what, I'm not going to do any cooks on it right now. I'm going to do some videos on that later, but I really just wanted to see what this thing was, show you what it was, tell you how long it took me to put it together. And really, it took me about 25 minutes to put the cart together, and then another 15 minutes to get it set up on the cart, lined it up, made sure I bolted it down, got the handle on, and that was pretty much it. So looks decent. I think it's going to last a long time. I like the 2 different shelves, the shelves on each side. I like the fact that I can take this thing wherever I want to go with it. It's not super light, but it's light enough to where one person can carry this in separate pieces. Take the flat top off, carry that separately, and then you can carry the griddle base by itself. But there you have it, guys. The Solo Stove Steel Fire flat top stainless steel griddle. My next video, I'll be doing some cooks on this. I know you're probably going to be upset that I didn't do any today, but really I don't have any time to do it today. I just wanted to get this thing open so I can, next time I come out here, I can fire it up and get cooking on it. Thanks for watching. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram. Check out Fire and Water Cooking Edible Creations, Seasonings down below. Thanks for watching.